Auditioning was absolutely terrifying because I spent so much money on coaching. I would go in there using those ideas, but they did not work for me because they were not my ideas. They were not choices that I made. They were not based on my character. They were tricks. And you stop being a person and it's more like, oh wait, I'm gonna lift my eyebrow at this certain moment. And it was not organic to the character, and then all of a sudden you stop feeling like you're acting and you start feeling like it's work. The Acting Center gave me the ability and the trust of my own ideas. And now I'm just being the person. I'm no longer sizing people up. And auditions are like, yes, I have an audition. This is so fun. I get to perform. I get to be a new person. This is the essentials you need as an actor to make it.